The year has barely begun, but already we're hearing stories of unrest. And if we're not careful, you can begin stepping into that place of fear where you are afraid of what may come. You may be feeling afraid of the unknown. And yet, that is not necessary. We may have grown up with that thought. May have been told that, yes, everything is uncertain. But Mother God wants to assure us that when we step into faith, when we align with all that really is, we can live our lives in a state of absolute joy. Welcome, everyone. It's Marcia Martin, the Heart Healer, here with you today with your message from Mother God for the week of January 12th, 2020. And today she wants to tell us all about faith. And this is not the kind of faith that you may have grown up with where someone said, oh, just believe me because I know better. Or perhaps there was an institution or a religious organization that told you, just have blind faith. We don't want to be blind. We don't want to be doing anything that we don't feel good about and sure about. You are important. Your quality of life is important. And anyone who asks you to suspend your doubt or suspend your disbelief because they know better probably is not a person that you can trust. So today, Mother is going to explain to us what faith really is, and we'll understand why you really can trust the divine. So Mother begins. Dearest hearts, we ask that you move from your place of insecurity and uncertainty into union with us. We offer the bedrock of faith as opposed to the wishful thinking that you engage in when you try to navigate your world on your own. Wishful thinking, or the I hope so way of running your life, causes you to always be on the edge. You may feel as though you're just waiting for the other shoe to drop because you don't know when or if disaster will strike. Wishful thinking is weak and leads the supplicant into a bargaining relationship with fate. And I'm not worthy way of thinking about yourself that demands that you play small and perceive yourself as weak. This day and every day hence, we desire that you step away from wishful thinking and into certain faith. When you partner with us, know that the desires of your heart are known and that your prayers are heard and answered. Faith is not entered into by chance. Before you can develop faith and the trust that accompanies it, you must first agree to partner with us, to leave your doubts behind and to join us in the state of certainty. Understand that what you think, those beliefs that you hold dear will become the reality you experience. When you anchor and align your energy with us, you become a rock of certainty. Gone is the I hope so that dogged your footsteps, and here for you now is the certainty of understanding. Your faithful heart connection with us states that your desire has now joined forces with our ability to create all. Your faith has determined that you will receive all that is for your highest good. Gone is the wound of uncertainty. It has been replaced by the power of faith aligned with the creators of all that is. Choose wisely. Choose to step out of the fear of the unknown and into faith. So let's look at that even more deeply. What does it mean to step into faith? Well, as Mother God shared with us so brilliantly, it means that you must let go of that state of I'm not worthy or I hope so. That's not who you really are. Your authentic self is a strong and powerful being of immense grace that is loved unconditionally by the divine. However, we on these life journeys have chosen to participate in challenges and to have life experiences that might make us feel a little uncertain, a little unsure, a little rocky about whether we really are loved or whether we can believe that which we cannot see. And we may have begun clinging to that which has physical presence in our life and have begun as we begin to let go of the unseen force of the divine. Well, today I'd like to invite you to a closer relationship with the divine. Allow them to enter your heart. Just let go of all of the disbelief. Let go of all of the fear just for a minute. I'm not asking you to do it permanently. It's a big step. I want you to work toward that. But for now, just for this minute, let go of your inability to believe that the divine love you, accept you, and that you are safe. Just open your heart and say, you are welcome here. You are welcome here, all those angelic beings, ascended masters, all the elements of the energetic realm that are filled with pure white light. You are welcome in my heart, in my being, and I commit now to partnering with you, to letting go of that way I used to live my life, where I was scared, where I was worried, and where I was anxious. And now I step into this place of faith where I know that if I align myself with the divine, with truth, with what really is, I am allowing myself the freedom to move into a life of certainty, a life that is filled with joy. Yes, it will be based upon your faith and your ability to believe, but over and over again each day, you will keep receiving reinforcements and synchronistic events and wonderful ways in which you are given clarity and you're backed up. You're just not left wondering. I can't find the right word, but you're going to step out of that place of wonder into that place of, I'm absolutely certain. I am absolutely sure. I know that the divine are here with me. I know that I am safe. I know that I can move forward as a powerful being. It is so important for your progress in the spiritual realm, your progress just in the physical journey, that you commit to being all that you can be. Your happiness depends on it. Your ability to feel successful depends on it, because none of us have come here without a purpose, and none of us have come here without the ability to complete that purpose, to feel successful as they step into their purpose. You can say no. You're not required to be all that you can be. But the way of joy lays in the way of faith and your willingness to be the powerful, authentic being you came here to be. Thank you all for sharing this time with me. I'm so grateful for your presence. You have encouraged me to become even bigger every day, Now I look for new ways that I can serve those who are working with me personally and those of you who I may never meet. So I want to thank you. I am deeply grateful for your presence in my life. And I invite you to join me in working together even more closely. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. Make sure that you're part of this ongoing movement of healing hearts. And if you need even more, please go to my website. There are so many ways that you can work with me. The way that probably is, to me, the most exciting right now is the Patreon community that I'm building, the Healing Hearts community that's going to allow all of us to connect on a regular basis so that you will feel that you're not alone. And for January, every material in that community, and it is packed full of information for you, is absolutely free. There is no charge in January. So please drop by our Healing Hearts community on Patreon, take a look, use all of the material, listen to everything. You will get tips and techniques from the divine, channeled messages of ways in which we can connect more fully and also release from ourselves fear that may be holding us small. You are so welcome to join me. Please just go to my website. Don't worry, all the information is down below the video. But that website, Marcia Martin, the Heart Healer. Marcia spelled Marcia, Marcia Martin, thehearthealer.com. As always, until next time, I'm sending you all my love.